Hello children, welcome to you in our social science class part 2nd. In our previous class we learned about India, its location, its political division, different states and their capitals. Now today we are going to take the topic that is Union Territories and their capitals. Union Territories. Okay, Union Territories and their capital. The first one is Andaman and Nicobar Island. And what is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Port Blair. Next one is Chandigarh. What is the capital of Chandigarh? Chandigarh. Then Dadar and Nagar Haveli. What is the capital of this? Silvassa. Then Daman and Diu. What is the capital of Daman and Diu? Daman. The next one is Jammu and Kashmir. What is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Srinagar and Jammu. Two capitals. And now which state has two capitals? Jammu and Kashmir. Why? Because Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. Next is Ladakh. What is the capital of Ladakh? Leh. Next one is Lakshadweep. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? Kavaratti. Then National Capital Territory of Delhi. What is the capital of this? Delhi. Then last one is Puducherry. And what is the capital of this? Puducherry. Okay. So all of you must learn the name of these states and union territories and their capital. Every day you learn the name of 5 states and their capitals. Then after few days you learn all the name of states and their capital. It is clear to you? Yes. Okay, in political division of India, what we learn? Okay, India became independent on 15 August 1947. Now today India is a union of 28 states and 9 union territories, and the table is given in your book on page number 231. You must learn the name of states and their capitals and union territories and their capitals. Every day you learn 5 names. Okay. Now let's see what is the physical division of India. Okay, before reading physical division of India, we read some more fact about India. We know that there are 28 states in India. So which is the largest state? Anybody? Yes, Rajasthan is the largest state in area. Which is the largest state? Rajasthan. This Rajasthan is the largest state in area. In the term of area, Rajasthan is the largest state. Now 28 states are there. So which is the largest state? Rajasthan. And which is the smallest state? Goa is the smallest one. Which is the smallest state of India? Goa. Here is Goa in yellow color. Okay, it is the smallest state in India. Okay, so which is the largest state? Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest one. Then next thing is, in the north part of India there are 7 states. In the northeastern part of India, there are 7 states. They are called 7 sisters. They are called 7 sisters. What is the name of these states? What is the name of these states? You must learn. It is very important. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Nagaland. Okay. All of you please learn the name of these states. Okay. In the northeastern part of India, this is the northeastern part of India. This is north, south, east and west, and it is the northeastern part of India. So now in the northeastern part of India, these 7 states are there. These 7 states are known as 7 sister. Where they are located? These are located in northeastern part of India. Okay, how many states are there? 7 states are there, and they are known as 7 sisters. And what is the name of this 7 sister? It is also given in your book on page number 232. All of you please open and repeat with me. Arunachal Pradesh. Yes. Assam. Yes. Manipur. Very good. Meghalaya. Very good. Mizoram. Yes. Nagaland and Tripura. Everybody learn the name of these 7 states. Okay. It is very important. Now we read about the physical division of India. What we read? Physical division of India. Okay, the landform of our country vary from place to place, and India can be broadly divided into 5 physical divisions. Okay, India can be broadly divided into 5 physical divisions. How many? 5 physical divisions. What are they? The northern mountains. Next is the northern and the coastal plains. Third one, the western desert. Then the southern plateau. Then the islands. All of you must learn the name of these 5 physical divisions. It is very important. India can be broadly divided into 5 physical divisions, and they are the northern mountains, the northern and the coastal plains, the western desert, the southern plateau, the island. All of you please repeat with me. It is very important. Okay? Be ready? Okay. The northern mountains, the northern and the coastal plains, the western desert, the southern plateau, the islands. Very good. Now I show you where is the northern mountains. See. This is the physical division of India. This map is also given in your book on page number 232. All of you open the map and see. Okay? This is the physical map of India, in which all the physical divisions are given. See? These are the northern mountains, northern and the coastal plains, western desert, the southern plateau, and this island. I will show you this separately. See. Now you see, these are the northern mountains of India. See, these are the, which is in red in color, these are the northern mountains of India. Next one is, these are the plains, northern plains, and these are the coastal plains. These northern plains and these are the northern plains, and these are the coastal plains of India. Second physical division of India. Third is western desert. Okay. Third physical division is western desert. Next is the southern plateau. Our fourth physical division, the southern plateau. Our fifth physical division is the islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island. I hope all of you understand the physical division of India. The 5 physical division of India, they are the northern mountains, the northern and the coastal plain, the western desert and the southern plateau and the island. And we will read about this physical division in next chapter. I will send you exercise and question answer of this lesson in PDF file. All of you must write question answers and exercise in your classwork notebook. Okay? Thank you.